Hello everyone, I'm Plant Girl and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox a package I received from the affordable organic store. The packaging looks decent based on this, but it took around like 4 days to arrive, so that's why I'm little worried like if the plants are surviving or not. So let's open the box and find that out now. So as mentioned here, they have requested urgent delivery through Tirupati courier services. So let's see how's that reflected inside the box. Alright, let's carefully cut through this side. I'm being extra gentle. We can damage the outer box, that's completely okay. But the plants inside need to be safe. And here we go. I can see a few items already. So let's open this properly and take everything out. Now, if you check online, the affordable organic store has mixed reviews. Some are really good, but a lot are negative, especially about the plant quality. From my own experience, they have always been good for non-plant items, but not so much for the plants. I will link my previous videos and playlist in the description so that you can watch those as well. But today, like after almost a year, we have bought new plants, so I'm really very much excited to see what's it going to be like. So anyways, our box is almost open now and I'm carefully taking everything out. They have used thick cardboard wraps for the plants. That's good to see. Let's keep going. And after that we have these two papers and nothing left inside the box, so we are done with opening what's all there. And here is the total bill. I got all of these plants for rupees 490. I will show you exactly which plants I ordered, so keep watching the video. Also, as always, they have included a thank you note from the store. The first item is actually a freebie, a plant growth promoter, basically a fertilizer. Now let's look at the next item. It wasn't packed separately and was placed directly in the main box. This is a bulb of the Stephania Erecta plant. The bulb looks healthy, no issues there. There is no instruction or planting guide, which can be confusing for beginners. That's a bit disappointing. I will plant this soon and share the update in a separate video. So now coming to the three live plant saplings I have ordered. And honestly, I'm very worried. It's been 4 days since shipping. Let's see what condition they are in. So this is the first one. It's a string of banana sapling. And let's open it up now. Let me gently open it up with very care just to make sure nothing is broken. And finally, here it is. Oh no, like I was really shocked like the time I was filming this video. This was not what I was expecting. Guys, can you see it for yourself? Like this looks completely dead. There is nothing left here. Whether it was the packaging or the delivery delay, I don't know. But the condition in which I have received this is like totally completely disappointing. Okay, now we have still two more saplings left and I am a little hopeful now. So this next one is Dendrobium Orchid sapling. On the good side, they have provided a QR code here for more plant info and potting instructions. So that is a really good thing which they have done. Let's open this now carefully. Okay, I am just removing the tape and gently removing the plant from this. So okay, this one looks alive. The root seems healthy, that is the major thing. So we will be potting it soon, and I will share that in my upcoming videos as well. So now we are going to open this last one, a Portulaca sapling. Let's open this gently as well. The plant is very small and I'm cutting away the extra bits of tissue paper so that I can check it without damaging it. And that was it for this video. These were all the plants I have ordered. This was just the unboxing, and I will be planting these all plants soon and sharing the detailed updates. In that video, I will also talk more about the actual plant quality and what items are worth buying from this store and what are not buying. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Thanks a lot. Bye.